Hello and welcome. Here's Anna. Hello and welcome to the third episode on the BTS Filmed YouTube channel. And today we're taking photos of Edinburgh by night or by the evening, light trails. It's the first time ever I do light trails here in Edinburgh. And yeah, I'm using my Sony A7IV as a photographic camera with 12 to 24 f2.8G master, and I'm filming with Sony A7C because why not? And I took a couple of photos here on the junction of South St Andrews Street and Princess Street, and there's a Black Sheep coffee behind me. Yeah, enjoy the photos. So the second spot here at the end of the Princess Street, basically, it's much better. And this photo is actually way better than the one took at the South St Andrews Street or whatever and Princess Street. So yeah, much better spot. So yeah, this time much better, and I'm more pleased with the results, and I hope you enjoy these photos as well. But I will change the lens in a couple of minutes and take some different shots, definitely tighter shots, because at the moment I'm shooting at 12 millimeters and it's quite wide, as you can see on the screen just now. So once again I've changed my spot and location from where I'm taking photos, and I think these ones are even better. Have a look. I definitely think it's time to change the lens to the 24 to 70 f2.8G master, second generation. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm not. And take a couple of tighter shots at 70 millimeters. So once again we changed the location. Now we are next to St James Square, and I'm experimenting with a shot where there's long exposure, but also I changed the focal length from 24 to 70 or from 70 to 24 to give, well, I don't know what to give to what, but actually trying to achieve some kind of effect. I have no idea what type of effect, but I hope you will enjoy the photos I took. And leave the comment leave the comment in the comment section what you think about that kind of movement when you take a photo on long exposure and you move the focal length. Do you like it? Did you try it at all? Because it's the first time ever I'm actually doing that kind of stuff, and I think I'm liking it. I'm actually liking it. I took a couple of photos on the side of St James Centre. I'm not fully satisfied with them, but first time taking light trails. Leave me a comment underneath the video if you take light trails, if you like that type of photography, and if you do, just leave a comment. Like, honestly, leave a comment. Also, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and remember to subscribe if you're not a subscriber yet, because that's my brand new The BTS Filmed YouTube channel, where I publish also my podcast, The Creator's Angle. That's the end of the episode. We came down here at the bottom of St James Centre next to Omni Centre, and it's not as packed as I would love it to be. So we are taking a bus home, and that is it. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, especially in the comment section. Remember to drop a like, because it's always very appreciated, and especially to feed the algorithm. What else? Remember to subscribe, and if you subscribe, hit the bell notification icon to be notified when I upload a new video. We are just nervously looking at the pass because it's coming from almost not the one. Anyway, so that's end of the video. Remember to keep shooting and keep creating.